Hello creative minds, so my name is Usman Opayemi. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background from any images for free, even without using Photoroom app, because I know nowadays Photoroom is the hot cake that many designers are using, just because it is easy to navigate and it also improve and maintain the quality of any image you remove the background. Now, I also know that many people are struggling with Photoroom not installing on their phone, and maybe the background that they want to remove wasn't removed properly. So I know many people are even struggling with that, because I remember working on a project last year where Photoroom didn't quite get the job done. So the background wasn't removed properly. So I had to look for an alternative, and guess what, guys? I found websites that did it perfectly, and that's exactly what I'll be sharing with you guys today. So because as a designer, you can't afford to rely on just one app to remove background. So it's not possible. You can't rely on just one app to remove background. So before we dive in, please take a second to hit that subscribe button you are seeing on your screen and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorial. So without being wasting much of our time, let's get started. It's just that there are some images that Photoroom did not work for it. So, and you have to look for alternative. As a designer, you can't rely on just one app. So let's search for Photoroom here. Photoroom. Alright, so this is Photoroom. So as you can see what I'm saying, looking for Photoroom AI. This app won't work for your device. As you can see, this wasn't work on my device. And the one that I'm using presently is a pro version, so I need to download the APK. It's not from Play Store, and that is the reason why it work on my phone. So if I want to download it direct from Play Store, as you can see, looking for Photoroom photo editor, this app won't work for your device. As you can see, it's not working on my device, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you guys, how you can use alternative method to remove background. So let's assume Photoroom work for your device, so you can just search for Photoroom here. So this is the pro version, not the one that's from Play Store. So I just downloaded the APK from Google. So this is Photoroom. As you can see, this is the interface. It is easy to use. So all you have to do here is that you will just click here, start from photo. And I want to show you guys something, but before that, let me quickly show you something. Photoroom is a good app to remove background, but as a designer, you may face some struggling when you are maybe when you want to remove some images that Photoroom did not remove it properly. So I'll show you the alternative way to solve the problem. Let's assume I want to remove this. As you can see, this removed properly the way I want. So I will also show you something here. Before that, let me show you something here. Let's assume I want to remove this also, this particular one. No, this has been removed already. Let me look for the one that has the background. There's something I want to show you guys, just stick with me. There's something. Okay, let's assume I want to remove this. As you can see, this remove properly the way I want. So if you want to download it, you can just click on this transparent, click on this transparent, so and click on this export. So you can click on save to gallery. So the background has been removed now. So let me show you what I'm trying to say about Photoroom not working properly. So there's a project I worked on last year, so I wanted to remove the background of that image, but to my surprise, Photoroom did not work at all. So I need to look for alternative way to remove the background. So, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you guys. So let's assume I want to remove this background now. You see what I'm talking about. So I wanted this background to remove properly and remove these images, and guess what? Look at what I'm saying here. So as you can see, though the background removed, but this thing here, this chair, this mirror here is still there, and I don't want it to appear. So I just need this lady alone touching that glass. I just wanted that alone, so I didn't want this glass to be there. So, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you guys. So let's say I move away from here. So let's go for Chrome or any browser you are using, but I will just advise you to use Chrome because Chrome is easy to use. So just search for remove.pg. As you can see, just search for remove background. Just click on it. As you can see, we have so many websites here that you can use. Even Photoroom also. Okay, so we have so many websites here that you can use. Even Photoroom was also here. But the first one that I would recommend you to use, and because this one is easy to use, and the quality of the image that you remove the background will still be there. So I will recommend you to use this remove.pg. Just click on it. So after you click on it, so it's easy to use. So you can just go down. No, let's wait for it to load. Just click on this upload image. Click on it. So now I will show you. As you can see, this is the image that I was talking about, this particular one. Yeah. So now let us work with this image and see how this website will remove the background. Let's wait for it to load. So just chill a little bit. It's working with that picture on the ground. So I can just give it a few seconds to load. Can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see what I'm talking about now? When I use Photoroom, that mirror was there, but now that I use this website, the mirror has been cleared. Though this is still showing, but I can still manage it like that. But what I'm saying now is that as a designer, you can't rely on just one app to remove any background of any image you want. So you can do your research and use another way of removing the background. So that's exactly the reason why I made this tutorial, because I've been getting a lot of complaints that people are saying Photoroom is not installed on their phone and they want to remove backgrounds. This particular website, you can use it to remove any background and it's easy to use. So after the background has been removed, you can just click on this download. So there is a premium version. So if you want to access the premium version, you can click on this unlock. But let us use this free. Just click on free. Click on download again, and the image has been downloaded. So let's compare. Let me show you the two and compare it together. Alright guys, so look at this picture carefully. This is the one that we removed using remove.pg. So, and this is the one that I removed using Photoroom. Can you see the difference there? This is the first one that we use Photoroom for, and this is the second one that we use remove.pg for. So this is the way in which you can remove your background using Photoroom and also using remove.pg. And there are so many websites there that you can use. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button, and also please hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I upload creative video like this. See you in the next video. Bye for now.